Afternoon everyone, Phil from MOTO-MATE. Today we're down by Gatwick Airport, not here a plane or two. As you can see, it is pretty bloody miserable. Should have packed a suitcase and some speedos and buggered off somewhere warm. But instead of doing that, I decided to have a play with Michael's Africa twin. Michael treated himself to some Denali D3 lights, SW-MOTEC light mounts, and a Hex Easy Can. The fact that he's been purchasing things from SW-MOTEC and Hex means he didn't buy from me. Ooh, bad boy. But anyway, he asked me to come and install it for him. So here we go. Don't do many Africa twins. I'm presuming that's because the CANsmart controller's not been out for so long. Done a few now, but it's not one of the more regular ones. So we've got a Soundbomb mount, horn mounted, just down there on the side of the engine using the Denali Soundbomb bracket. Pair of D3s, trip over the ground anchor. Daytime running set at 40%, 20% at night time, and 100% on high beam. So automatic work with the high beam, turns off when the indicator's active. Other side has stayed on. Cancel the indicator there back on, say anything to do with high beam there at 100%. And the Soundbomb definitely works. As we had a spare channel on the CANsmart, we've also connected Michael's nav up as an accessory circuit on the 4th channel. And we've got the Hex Easy Can just tied there to the side of the fuse box. A good day's work. Cheers guys.